Hello friends, my name is Mohammad Azharuddin and you are watching my YouTube channel Azhar Technical Zone. So in this video we are going to discuss about the 5 phases of the project life cycle. So in this first we will talk about the initiation. The initiation phase is designed to help you define the project and transform it from an idea into an attainable goal for your stakeholders or your client, or you can say the end user, to review and approve. It begins with a project initiation document, or you can say project charter, that defines details like the business case, project scope, deliverables, objectives, estimated budget, constraints, goals, and expected timeline to finish the project. You can use a PID template to make this process easier. Now moving to planning. The planning phase is where you will flesh out your project plan and infrastructure and help your team better understand the project's vision. During this phase, you will develop project control elements like budgeting and forecasting, smart and clear project goals and milestones, communication plan between all the stakeholders, deliverables like engineering deliverables or documents deliverable registers and planning package and so on, and initial project schedules, project management plan, project team organizations, risk analysis, risk management and mitigation plan, work breakdown structure and Gantt chart and so on. So with most methodologies other than Agile and its subsets, the planning phase will likely take up a large amount of your project's timeline. By the end, your project team will have a clear picture of the steps they need to follow for the project success. So the planning is a phase where you will plan each and everything how you are going to execute a project. Now in the execution phase, the execution phase is where your project team will do the actual work and spend most of your budget. It's all about the producing deliverables, putting your project plan into an action. So whatever you have planned in the planning phase, now this is a stage where you are going to in the action phase. So your role will be managing your teams and attaining a milestones to make your plan a success and stay on the schedule, and it should not be slip against the baseline what you have submitted to the client. You will also need to maintain communication and collaboration between the stakeholders to keep everyone on the same page. Here stakeholders refers to the client and your subcontractors and suppliers. In monitoring phase, the monitoring phase is pretty self-explanatory. You will keep an eye on the project progress and key performance indicators so you can correct issues as they rise. Some common KPIs include like cost and effort tracking, deliverables and objectives, performance and progress. For this monitoring purpose, you can go and watch my previous videos which I have uploaded on my YouTube channel Azhar Technical Zone. It doesn't matter how good at planning you are, you will need to monitor your KPIs at the progress at every step to track it and be vigilant about the reporting. At the end of the project, like in closure phase, so the last phase will be a closure phase. The closure phase initiates when the project is complete. Before you start partying, you will formally close over the project by providing a dossier submissions, or you can say the documents proofs to the client. During this time, you will terminate contracts with external parties whomever you are concerned, review the project, perform a final budget check, and create a detailed report that covers every complete and incomplete task. Most project managers hold a post-mortem meeting to evaluate the success and failures before realizing the team. So with this process, we come to know that what mistakes we have done in our project, so we can rectify and we can consider our completed project as a benchmark, so we should not repeat those mistakes in our next project. So by this practice we can get more profit and more success in our next project. So then it is a time for a wrap party which is fun way to celebrate and acknowledge your team's hard work.